Don't miss these important signs of lymphoma in your dog. What could be making your dog suddenly feel tired or not want to eat? Is it just a bad day, or could it be something more serious? Today, we're going to talk about canine lymphoma, a common health problem for dogs that's often unnoticed until it's too late. Let's learn about the clear signs and find out how we can act quickly and be there for our furry friends. And hey, you might want to stick around till the end if you are serious about this good parent thing. Canine lymphoma isn't just one thing. It represents 7 to 14% of all cancers diagnosed in dogs, with over 30 different types. Each one can affect your dog in a unique way. Let's find out these mysteries together so we can be the best pet parents possible. Mythbusters, clearing up confusing ideas. Most people are not well informed about canine lymphoma, so right off the bat, we would like to do our part and clear up some mix-ups about canine lymphoma, because you know that way you can help your furry friends in the best manner possible. Myth 1. Only old dogs can get lymphoma. Nope, that's not right. Lymphoma can happen to dogs of all ages, but it's more usual in dogs that aren't super young or super old. Myth 2. My dog has always been happy and healthy, so it can't be lymphoma. This one's a tricky one. Even if a dog seems super happy and full of energy, lymphoma can still be a problem. It's like a sneaky ninja. Myth 3. There's nothing I can do to stop lymphoma. Well, we can't stop it for sure, but knowing what to look for and finding it early can really help. Diagnostic procedures. To diagnose canine lymphoma, several tests are employed. One common method is fine needle aspiration, FNA. In this process, a trained vet gently inserts a thin needle into a swollen lymph node and extracts cells for examination. The main benefit to doing this minimally invasive procedure is that it provides you with a quick preliminary diagnosis. Biopsy is another diagnostic tool. Here, a small tissue sample is surgically removed and analyzed. Other than biopsies, blood tests, and X-rays are also conducted to assess the dog's overall health and to detect any internal abnormalities. Broadly speaking, lymphoma can be categorized into 5 stages. These include: Stage 1. Lymphoma is localized to a single lymph node. Stage 2. Multiple lymph nodes in a specific region are affected. Stage 3. Generalized lymph node involvement is observed. Stage 4. The liver and spleen are also affected along with lymph nodes. Stage 5. The cancer has spread to the blood or bone marrow. Swollen lymph nodes. This is often the first noticeable sign of lymphoma in dogs. The lymph nodes, which are part of the immune system, swell as they fill with cancerous cells. These swollen nodes can be felt as firm, rounded masses under the skin, particularly under the jaw, shoulders, armpits, and behind the knees. Lethargy. A dog with lymphoma may exhibit a sudden and uncharacteristic drop in energy levels. This isn't just the usual tiredness after a long walk. It's a persistent fatigue where your once lively companion may prefer to lie down rather than play or engage in usual activities. Loss of appetite. Canine lymphoma can cause a significant decrease in appetite. Your dog may show less interest in meals, even turning away from favorite foods. This isn't just pickiness, it's a consistent disinterest in food that can lead to the next symptom. Weight loss. Even if a dog with lymphoma is eating some food, they might still lose weight. The body's metabolic rate can change due to the cancer, leading to muscle wasting and a noticeable slimming down, even if the appetite hasn't changed dramatically. Skin changes. Certain types of lymphoma can manifest through changes in the skin. This could be in the form of redness, itchiness, or flakiness. Some dogs may develop sores or lumps that don't heal. These symptoms can be easily mistaken for allergies or other skin conditions, but are persistent and progressive. Breathing difficulty. Enlarged lymph nodes in the chest can press against the lungs, making it difficult for a dog to breathe. This might manifest as shortness of breath, coughing, or wheezing, and can be particularly noticeable during physical activity. Next, let's talk about something important. How can we help our dogs if they have lymphoma? What treatment options are available for dogs with lymphoma? How long can a dog live with lymphoma? Are certain dog breeds more prone to lymphoma? All that and more coming next. Chemotherapy. Overview. Chemotherapy is like a superpower medicine that helps fight the bad cancer cells. Vets use different kinds of chemotherapy, and these treatment options can last for weeks or even months. It's given in small doses to make sure our furry friends stay as comfortable as possible. Because every dog is different, you need to count on your vet to choose the best plan for your pet. Alternative therapies. Besides chemotherapy, there are other ways to help. Radiation is a process where we use a superhero laser beam to target and shrink the cancer. Meanwhile, surgery can help remove malignant lumps, and immunotherapy is another option where you give your dog the necessary antibodies, which can help fight against cancerous tumors. Holistic approaches. Some folks also try natural ways, like changing what their dogs eat or giving them special oils, like CBD oil and other supplements. These can sometimes make our dogs feel better and happier during their treatment. Emotional resilience. And hey, dogs are tough cookies. There are many stories of dogs bouncing back with their tails wagging. Community and support. When your dog is diagnosed with lymphoma, it can feel like a lonely journey. But remember, you're not alone. There are many places where you can find support and advice. Finding support. Did you know there are online forums and social media groups dedicated to pet parents like you? These spaces are filled with people who understand exactly what you're going through. They have been in your shoes and are more than happy to share their experiences with you. Websites like dog cancer support groups on Facebook or forums on sites like Reddit can be comforting spaces. You can ask questions, share your experiences, or simply find a virtual shoulder to lean on. Building community. Seek out these support systems because they are more than just places for information. They're communities. Hearing stories from other dog parents can be a huge source of encouragement. You'll find tales of hope, recovery, and yes, sometimes sadness. But through it all, you realize there's a network of people who genuinely care. Wow, we've covered a lot today, haven't we? From recognizing the signs of canine lymphoma to exploring treatment options and finding community support, we've armed ourselves with knowledge to be the best pet parents we can be. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beautiful bond we share with our furry pals. If this video touched your heart or added value to your life, please do us a favor. Share it with other pet parents, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Help us reach more people and make a difference in the lives of our beloved pets.